What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold Wednesday and Thursday. It's another slow week. What do we know? Who could tell this is fourth quarter? I guess I don't sell a lot of Christmas type stuff. I don't know. But we sold about 8 or 9 items. So my name is Larry. I'm a full-time reseller. And we're going to take you on a journey here and show you exactly what we sold. And then that way, if you guys don't sell that stuff, you might learn a thing or two. And you might not. Who knows? Hopefully you have a good time. Hey, let's see what we sold. Like I said, I've been doing this full time since 1997. All right, we sold a Kevin Sorbo autograph. I'm gonna try to get it. This is always the hardest thing to do one-handed. Here's some Kevin Sorbos. Man, I got a lot of Kevin Sorbos, so let's see if we can find the one. Holy crap. I knew I had a bunch, but I didn't really pay attention how many I had. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Holy crap. 19. I have 19 Kevin Sorbo autographs. Hey, but we sold this one right here. I think we had it listed for like $19.99. We took a best offer of $15. That's crazy, man. I have that many of them. And we paid $5 for it. All right, we sold, I can't remember his name, something Biggins. I can't remember if it was Anthony Biggins or something Biggins. It's from, there we go. What is his name? Christopher Biggins. He's the guy behind the guy. But it's an autograph Rocky Horror Picture Show. We ended up paying $2.99 for this, and we sold it for $19.99 today. We sold a Porky's. Man, I just put this in the video the other day. We just bought it. I didn't even have a chance to put it away. I just put it away right before we got on camera just so I could pull it from the drawer. But, like I said, yeah, this sold within less than 24 hours. We paid $1 for it. Or actually 75 cents for it at the pawn shop. I always say $1. It's just easier. But most of the time I pay 75 cents. And we sold it for $9.99. I knew that thing would sell fast. And that's why I like to pick up the sealed ones. Like I said, they sell really quick. Are any of you guys tired about talking about the Robert Grahams yet? Let me see. We bought 5 of these. Let me grab the other one. Yeah, we grabbed 5 of these. These are the only 2 left. This one sold today. I went ahead, took a best offer of $39.99 or $38.99, I think it was. But that's the only one. This is the only one we had left. We paid $3.99 a piece for them. We sold one for like $160. We sold one for $70. We sold one for $75. And so we sold this one for $40. And this one I probably won't take less than like, $40, $50 for. So, like I said, that was pretty good on $3 or $4 investments. Maybe I should start listing stuff more often. This was just in the last video too. This sold within like 24 hours. Who's that girl? I think Madonna's that girl. It is Madonna. And it is used. And we paid 75 cents for it. And we got $9.49 for it. Sold a Xbox 360. Where'd that go? Could have sworn it was just in here. Top Gun. We bought this at the Home Family Video when they were going out of business. They were selling all their games for $2.99. And we sold this for $18.70. We sold this really cool Tommy Hilfiger jacket. We paid $5.99 for this jacket. You know what's really cool about this jacket? They say it's got a nice flag there. And it's got a nice flag back here in the back. But it's reversible and it's awesome, like fleece looking multicolor striped on the other side. It's just an awesome jacket. It looked like it was in, you know, mint condition. But we got the $120 for this. We paid $6 for it. So be on the lookout for crazy Tommy Hilfiger stuff. It does really well. Sold a DVD called Saving Christmas. I believe it's a Kirk Cameron film. That means it's probably a Christian film. He does a lot of Christian movies now. I don't see it. Hey, it took me 2 seconds to find it. I just looked up and it was right here. I don't normally put my just regular DVDs up here. These are always box sets, so I don't know what it's doing up here. I don't think it's a series. This is where I put like my series and stuff. Huh, that's really weird. Anyway, we bought this for $1. We either bought this for $1 at the Dollar Tree or we bought it for 75 cents at the pawn shop. It's one or the other. Either way, we sold it for $8.99. All right, guys, that's everything we sold. Hopefully you guys had a good time. Hopefully you might have learned some few things. Like I said, those Robert Graham shirts sell really well. Jackets sell really well. So if you learned anything or you had a good time, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you hit subscribe, please hit subscribe all, because that way you get to see all my videos, and we have tons of videos. Thanks, guys. Later. Picked up this Tweety Bird. What you know? It's from 1997. Let's see. I can't remember if this one was. Let's see, it's made in Jamaica or something. There's a Mickey. The Mickey was brand new. Where's that? And it was made in USA. And then we got a brand new Tweety. It's from the 90s though. I mean, it's just never been worn. You can tell by these tags. These tags have not been, you know, washed or worn. Made in USA, extra large. I'm not sure how much these are going to go for. And this is a Mickey, big, great big Mickey. And on the, it's also, you know, from the 90s. It's got the Mickey Unlimited tag, and then it's also got the Artex. And it's made in USA. Let's see if I can get the back of this one out for you. Now you get the idea. It's the back of them, looking at the sunset. Like I said, I haven't looked at these yet, but you know, these things might be, you know, $50 a shirt or more. So I'm going to look them up. Probably list them tonight. Bought this Dale Earnhardt all over print the other day. It's new without tags. I paid $2 for it. I have it on, I think I have it on right now for $129.99. I'll probably take a best offer like $100, but it's brand new and it's a 2X. So usually it's a little harder to find the bigger sizes. I'll flip it over for you. And they said that's pretty sweet. I mean, Dale Earnhardt Sr. is usually like the holy grail for the all over prints. But that was a good pickup.